Hey, I was recently contacted by a fellow named Carlos at a new company called Continuous Targets, and he wanted to send this over to me so I could do a demo for you guys. That's what we're going to do today. So let me show you what comes in the package and give you a brief overview. All right, all of these orange pieces are 3D printed. They print the targets on the paper. I'll show you what that looks like when I get it turned around. The remote control, and what this is a remote control target so that you can switch this out in the field. Now, it doesn't come with a stand, and I built this stand based on my needs. I have a place where my backstop isn't overly tall, so I needed to keep my profile down pretty low. Now what this does for me, it's only 30 yards over to my target and there's nobody else back here, but I'm really kind of trying to keep a low profile. Not everybody likes air guns. Not everybody likes any kind of thing associated with that. So the lower profile I can keep by not running back and forth across the yard for me is going to be an asset. This thing changes with a remote control. He kind of thought of everything with this, even the remote. He comes with this little eyelet so that you can put that on the back of your target and keep track of your remote when you're not using it. There is a friction device up here, and he's got a couple of really good videos that show how to set all of this stuff up, so I'm not going to go over all of that. I'll let you refer to his videos. The only thing I have maybe kind of modified, when you run the paper around, this is a split dowel, and if you want to put a couple of toothpicks in here to widen up the gap, makes it easier to get the target paper threaded in there. So let me get this set up. I'll spin it around and I'll show you what it looks like. Now once you get this threaded through here, you're going to want to hit your remote. The battery box does have an on and off switch. I tried to make mine accident resistant, so I put all the good stuff behind 2x4s. I'm shooting it with an air rifle, so hopefully nothing's going to go long ways through the 2x4. I'll probably extend these up a bit at the top and the bottom just for Bobos. You know, you're sighting in a new rifle, you might be a little bit off. Let's see, turn on the battery. Switches at the other end. All right, let me turn this around. All right, so this is what it's going to look like, and you've got this backer on here. It's cardboard backer. I probably don't need it because this is pretty substantial without it. Depending on if you want to make this portable or not, you might need the cardboard for a spreader. Now, I'm not going to shoot at this right now. Got a whole lot of stuff going on. I just wanted to introduce you to this, and I'll be doing some videos in the not too distant future. DNT Optics sent over a new Zelos V2 for me to try out, and I'm going to try it on this target. That'll be in a few days. When I get a little earlier start in the day. I've got to run up to Montana again tomorrow. Carlos goes over this real well. You control the tension on here with a little screw at the top, and then you just advance your targets one at a time, and there's 25 targets. I think roughly 27 on here, but as you can see, you've got to feed it around. So you lose a little bit at the beginning and the end, but there's a full 25 usable target sections on here. When I get back from Montana, hopefully I'll get back early enough in the day, I'll try to get this thing set up and I'll try to get a couple of shots in on it. But for now, I'm going to put a link to Carlos's site down there. There's an affiliate link for this. And if you have some thoughts on this, if you think it would be usable for you, let me know. And go check out Carlos's site and check out the videos on setting all this stuff up in other ways. Hey, if anybody made it to the end of this, I appreciate it. I'm going to throw a video up over here you might like. YouTube's going to throw one down here you might like. I'll catch you in one of those, or I'll catch you down the road. And I'm going to put my remote back where it goes.